First of all, I would welcome all of you in the lesson number 67 for grade 1 mathematics, guys. Now, we're studying unit money, and we have discussed about the money, the basics of the money. Different currencies. We have studied that every country has its own currency, and in the book, Pakistani currency notes are uh, we can find them in the picture, and there are exercises related to Pakistani currency notes. So we should know about their denominations also, and we have now you know all about the coin, the currency note. The coin has two sides, the currency note has two sides, and you can find their values written on the currency notes on the bottom of the currency note, or anywhere in the currency note you can find this its value, right? And we have also practiced. Now you can recognize these coins also, that this is rupees 1 coin, rupees 5 coin, and rupees 2 coin. What we are going to do, do today, guys, we will complete page number 49 149 of the money, where Uncle Tom is having some currency notes and coins. We will do that, and then I'll introduce you some currency notes of Saudi Riyal, and then we will practice some of the currency notes, right? So let's start our practice work. So open your book, page number 149, please. Open your book, page number 149. Did you open the book, guys? Yes, did you open the book? I need to open your mic for that. Did you open your book, page number 149?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So,
I open it.
Very good.
I
So let's start what the question is saying, guys. Uncle Tom, question number 2, on page number 149. Uncle Tom has the notes and the coins shown below. Answer the questions given below. So this is the given information by the question, that Uncle Tom, he is having some of the currency notes and some of the coins. These are given below. That's mean these currency notes and coins Uncle Tom has. Now you have to count the money. How much money does Uncle Tom have? So guys, for counting the money, you should know the value of the currency notes. Okay. So I am going to ask the value of this currency note first. You have to help me, guys. This currency note has a value of dash, and this is I'm going to ask by one of you. Hamza Abdul Rahman.
yes, sir.
Hamza Abdul Rahman, can you tell me the denomination of this currency note, the value of this currency note?
10.
10? No, it is not 10. This one. Can you see my cursor? This one, this one.
20.
This is 20. Guys, it's written here. You can see, I can make it dark for you. It is a currency note of 20. Very good. So this currency note has the value of 20. That is fine now. Now we should know the value of this currency note as well. So I'm going to ask this question by one of you. Amir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amir. Can you tell me the value of this currency note? This one. What is the value of this currency note? 10. Very good. You can see here, guys, it's written already here. This is 1 and this is 0. So it has a value of 10. Very good. Very good. Now,
Thank you, sir.
welcome. Ibrahim. Ibrahim, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ibrahim, can you tell me the value of this currency note? This one.
Mm.
What is the value of this currency note?
10?
No, it is not 10.
20?
20. It is the currency note of 20. Look here. We already done right here 20. This is the same currency note. And I can make it dark for you. This is 2020. Right? Very good. Now we come to the coin. There is one coin and the coin is having the value of dash. Amir. Amir, can you hear me? Amir, can you hear me? Amir. Okay. Abdul Rahman Al Wasil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdul Rahman. Now please tell me the value of this coin. This one. Sorry?
5.
5. Because you can find the value of this coin. It's written here on the coin. Now, the question was, we have to count the money. For counting the money, we should know the denominations. Okay. Now we know the denominations. Denomination means value. We know the values. This coin has a value of 20. This currency note has a value of 20. This currency note has a value of 10. And this currency note has a value of 20. This coin has a value of 5. Now we can count the money and we can tell that how much money does Uncle Tom have. So what we will do for counting the money, guys? That's I'm going to ask with Umar Mustafa. Umar Mustafa. Umar Mustafa. Can you hear me, Umar Mustafa? Umar Mustafa. Okay. Zoom user who is using the name Zoom user.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Hamza Ahmad Suleiman.
Hamza Ahmad Suleiman. Yes, Hamza Ahmad Suleiman. Can you count the money now? How you will count the money? How much money Uncle Tom has now?
55.
How do you know? What you have to do now? Very good, guys. Very good. Hamza Suleiman Ahmad is saying we have to do addition. So this is the thing which we have to do. We have to add their values if we want to count how much money does he have. So how we can do addition, guys? I will show you. Look here. This is the currency note of 20. Okay, so I will write here tens and ones. Then 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones. This is currency note of 10. 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones plus. This is again we have currency note of 20. That's mean 2 tens, 0 ones. And there we have a coin which is having the value of 5. That's mean only 5 ones. If we add all of them, so what we will get? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. I can show you here also, guys. If you draw 2 lines, 1, 2, and this is 1, so you draw 1 line, And this is again 2. You draw 2 lines. And if you count all the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 5. So you will write 5. So Uncle Tom has 55 rupees. How much money does Uncle Tom have, guys? Yes. How much money does he have?
55.
55.
55.
55. Very good. So the answer is 55. This is the answer, guys. So we will write here 55. We'll write here
55, sir.
55. Okay. Now the second question is, how can you check if your answer is correct? So how can you check if your answer is correct, guys? This is very easy. You can check your answer by adding. How you can check your answer if your answer is correct or not? Just you need to do is addition. So this is a currency note of 20. So you add 20 plus 10 plus again 20 and plus 5, and that's become 55. So this is how you know that there Uncle Tom has 55 rupees. Is that clear, guys? Yes, is that clear? Very good. Very good, guys. So this is, we have completed question number 2, A and B. Now, guys, these are the currency notes of Pakistan. I have to introduce you Saudi Riyal currency note as well. I know you keep using Saudi Riyal currency note. Okay. Now I will check, can you identify the currency notes or not, and I will ask you some questions. So I'm going to share a new screen with you now. Can you see the screen, guys? Yes or no? Can you see the new screen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good, guys. Look at this coin, guys. This coin you normally use. Can you tell me the value of this coin, guys? What is the value of that coin? Yes.
One.
What is the value of that coin? One real. One real. Very good. The value of this coin is 1 real. Very good. Now I have a quick question to you. Okay. What you can buy in 1 real? Okay. What you can buy? What things you can buy in 1 real? So you have to answer in the chat box. What things you can buy from 1 real? Abdul Rauf is saying ice cream. Hamza Sayyed saying water. Abdul Rahman, water. Very good. Yes, guys, all students need to participate. What things you can buy from 1 real? Water, water, okay. And sweet, water. Biscuits, water. Azam Saleh, Abdul Rahman, Abdullah, Abdul Rahman Wasil, Abdul Malik Hassan, biscuits. Umar Mustafa. What is 6? I am asking what you can buy. Water. Abdul Rahman is saying chips. Ibrahim Muhammad ice cream. Abdullah of juice. Anas Muhammad cake. Okay. Anyone else? All should participate, guys. Toffee, very good. Pen, good. Juice and water, very good. Juice, mm-hmm. Sweet, water. All I guess. Cola, very good. Pen. Okay, bread. That's enough, guys. So, you know that what you can buy from 1 real, and you have shared your answers. You normally use 1 real coin also, and this is the currency note of dash. Yes, guys, can you identify this currency note? Yes or no?
Five. Five.
This is a currency note of 5 real. This currency note has a value of dash. Can you tell me the value of this currency note, guys?
Five.
This its value is 5. You can see this is a currency note of 5 real. In Saudi Arabia, we have 5 real currency note, 1 real currency note also. And guys, this is the back side of 5 real currency note. Okay. So guys, you can see here that it's written here also 5. The currency note of any country, if you have currency note of any country, there must be written the value of that currency note. Like on the back side, it is written in English, and on the front side, it's written in Arabic. Okay, so on any country currency note, you will find the value of its currency. From that, you can count if you have, let's suppose, dollars, if you have pounds. So you can also count these currency notes by looking their values and counting them, right? So this currency note has a value of 5 real, 5 real. Coming to this currency note, guys. Can you identify that currency note? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is 10 real. This is a currency note of 10 real.
Yes.
10 real. 10 real. Okay. It has a value of, this currency note has a value of dash. Very good. Guys, now tell me, if your father gave you, if your father give you 10 real, okay? If your father give you 10 real, so what you will buy from 10 real? Your father will give you 10 real right now. What you are going to buy? Tell me. I'm going to open the chat. This means what you are going to buy from 10 real. Abdul Rahman, toy, which toy? Which game you can buy from 10, buy in 10 real, Hamza? Make it clear. Cake, okay. Car, which car you can buy in 10 real? Pizza. Pizza also. Coffee, okay. Juice, chocolate, bread and biscuit, toy. Pepsi. Muhammad Saleh, book. Which book? Hamza Abdul Rahman, gun. Hamza Hussaini, juice. Ice cream, coffee, Hamad. Abdul Rahman, burger. Hamza Hussaini, can. Popcorn, cake. Very good. Pants and Alwide bigger and juice. Abdul Malik Hassan. Sandwich. Okay. Cake. Color. Good. Pepsi. Abdul Rahman Awasif. So guys, from 10 real, you can buy the things which has a cost of 10 real or less than 10 real. Let's suppose if you are going for McDonald's or Subway or for any burger, and their burger cost is 15 real. So you cannot buy that burger with the help of this currency note. Why? Because it has a value of 10 real. To buy a burger which is having a cost of 15 real, which cost is 15 real, you need 5 more real to purchase it, to buy it. Okay, so in 10 real you can only buy those things which are which cost is 10 real or less than 10 real, like some juices and chocolates, toffees, biscuits, yogurt, milk, and loaf, butter, I think also, like these things, and some cheaper burger also. Expensive burger, uh, you will have to pay more for expensive burgers, right? So these are the things you can buy for in 10 real. And what you learned here, that if you have 10 real, so you cannot buy a thing which is having a cost of 15 real, 20 real or 25 real, right? Let's move further. This currency note. Okay. Can you identify this currency note, guys? Yes. This is the currency note of 50 real. It's written here 50. Okay. So it has a value of, yeah, guys, this currency note has a value of, yes,
Allah.
50. 50. This currency note has a value of 50. Very good. This is 50 real and it has a value of 50 real. So you can buy the things under 50 real if you have this currency note. This is the back side of 50 real. Okay. Guys, can you identify this currency note? Yes, can you identify this currency note? 100 real. 100 real. 100 real. This is 100 real, guys. This currency note has a value of 100 real. You can buy the things up to 100 real from that currency note, and in 100 real you can buy too many things. Okay, so this is very good. Now go to the next. Yes, guys, can you identify this currency note? Yes, can you identify this currency note?
100.
This is a currency note of 500 real. It's written here 500. Okay, it is 500 reals. Okay, and this is one of the highest denomination in Saudi Arabia currency. This is in this 500 real you can buy too many things. All right, guys. So this currency note has a value of dash real. How many real? 500. Okay, let's revise. We have checked. This is the coin of 1 real. We have 1 real currency note also in Saudi Arabia, and this is a currency note of 5 real. This is its front side and this is its back side, and it is a currency note of 10 real. This is its front side and this is its back side, and this is a currency note of 50 real. It's front side and it is back side. This is a currency note of 100 real. This is its front side and this is its back side. And it is a currency note of 500 real. Okay guys, if your father asks you to pick one of the currency note from these 500, 100, 50, 10 or 5. If your father has all these currency notes on the table and if he asks you to pick one of the currency note from this, so which currency note are you going to pick from the table? Tell me your answer please. Yes, if your father asked you to take one of the currency note from 500, 100, 10, 5, so which you will take? Hamza Hussaini 500, Abdul Rahman 500, Anas Ahmad 500. And Ahmad Muhammad will not take any currency note. Okay. Umar Mustafa 100, Hamza Abdul Rahman 500. Everyone will take 500. Azam Saleh 50. Okay. Muhammad Saleh 50, Abdul Rauf 500, Umar Mustafa 200. There is no question of two, though no currency note of 200. Abdul Malik 500, Abdul Rahman Wasil 500. Okay, guys, why you will take 500 currency note? Why? There is no 20 real currency note. Can you tell me why you will take 500 real currency note? Yes, why?
Because it's a lot.
It is big one. It is big one.
There is
Big one.
Yes, very good, very good,
big one.
very good,
Big one.
very good, very good. Very good, guys. And Ahmad Abdul Malik Hassan reply very good. His answer is very good. To buy so many quality things because in 500 real you can buy too many things. And the another student's answers are very good because 500 is a highest denomination. It's a currency note which is having highest value among all currency notes. So you can buy too many things from 500 real. That's very good, guys. It's so nice of you that you all need 500 real currency note. Now we have, guys, one question. Again, the same example. Uncle Tom has following currency notes and coins. You have to count the money and you have to tell how much money does he have right now. Okay. So I show you here the currency notes. This is the currency note of 100 real. This is a currency note of 50 real. This is a currency note of 10 real. This is currency note of 5 real. And there are 3 coin of 1 real. Consider this all the currency notes and these 3 are the coins. So you have to tell me how much money does Uncle Tom has. So your time starts now. Count the money and tell me in the chat box how much money does the Uncle Tom have. How much money does the Uncle Tom have? How much money does the Uncle Tom have? Hamad Al Khalaf is saying 168. Abdul Malik Hassan 163. Hamad Al Khalaf, Anas Muhammad, Hamza Al Sayyed 168. Muhammad Saleh 150. Hamza Abdul Rahman 168. I'm not going to tell you which is the right one, guys, right now, because if I tell you that this answer is good, so you all will write and you all will copy it. Adam Umar 125, Anas Ahmad 168, Umar Mustafa 149, Azam Saleh 168. Ilhaj, check your answer. Ahmad Muhammad 168, Amir 168, Umar Mustafa 126. Ammar Yasir 190, Abdul Rauf 168, Amir 168. Very good, guys. Keep answering. Ilhaj 168, Hamza Lusani 168. Okay, guys. Let me count for you guys. You know how we have to count the money? How we have to count the money? For counting the money, we do addition. So 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Look here. I will count for you. I'm going to share a new screen with you guys. You have one currency note of 100 real, 100, 0, 10 and 0, 1. One currency note of 50 real, one currency note of 10 real, 110, 0, 1. One currency note of 5 real, and you have 3 1 coins. 1, 1 and 1. These all are ones. You have to add all of these guys. Look here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 and 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 and 7 plus 1 8. So we will write here 8. There are total 8 ones. How many tens are there? 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 equals to 6. And there is only 100. So it is 168. So those who were saying 168, they were right. Their answer is correct. 168 is the answer. Or you can check here also. You can count directly from here. 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 10, 160. 160 plus 5, 165. Then count on ones. 166, 167 and 168. So the answer is 168. Is there any problem, guys?
Oh no! No! No!
So can you tell me how much money does the Uncle Tom have right now? If he has these currency notes and coins?
168.
Oh, very good. He has 168. Okay. If I... Now, can you tell me how much money does he have right now? Yes. How much money does he have right now?
167. 167.
Okay. From 167, Uncle Tom Uncle Tom buy one biscuit from 1 real. Now, how much money he has left? Yes, guys, how much money he has left now? 100. Very good. So he has now 166. Very good, guys. So this is going to be the end of our class. What we have studied about the currency notes of Saudi Arabia, and again the practice of currency notes, how to count the money. Inshallah, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.